Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing this new braided wig I just bought. Now I got this wig from Instagram. I bought these from Instagram, but it was shipped and it was made and shipped from Nigeria. Like, yes, God bless Nigeria, proudly Nigerian, anytime, any day. This wig is from Instagram, it's from Nigeria, and the company name is Slick Braid Wigs. Slick Braid Wigs, Slick Braid Wigs, yes, Slick Braid Wigs. I bought this wig last month. It's June now. Today is Sunday, the 2nd of June, 2019. Yeah, I bought this wig last month and it arrived last month. I just got the time to bring it out now. Slick Braid Wigs, thank you so much. Like this I've opened like this. That's how it came. And this is it. The name of the wig I chose is it's in the style Nicole. Yeah, the style name was Nicole. Actually, I had seen this wig somewhere before. I was like, where did I see this wig? Where did I see this wig? Then I remembered that Olivia actually has the same wig. That's our style. On Instagram, she's Mama with Style. Olivia Simone. Yep. I think I'll put a picture of her. I mean, she has the best wig tutorials, the best. She's the real deal, you know. Don't let me talk to her. I don't like talking too much. So this is the wig. It's in the style Nicole. I got this in the color 1B, and I had the length customized. So this is 30 inches. 30 inches. I asked for a large cap because my head is big, so I thought so this comes in a large cap, which is 23 inches. So this is a full lace wig. Actually, look at it on the insides. Here it is, full lace wig. It comes with a strap in the back, and then this combs, which actually I do not care for, so I'm going to be removing this combs like ASAP. Here it is. This is long, so let's just this is going to be some work cutting off all of this lace, but let me start. Is this the, yes, this is the side. So straight out from the pack, this is what the wig looks like. I still have the lace on. Thank you. I got some baby hairs. This is gonna be my baby hairs. Oh, let me see. I would need a rattle comb to like take this out. Straight out from the pack, this is what it looks like. Nice. I didn't notice, however, that the ends have not been dipped, or rather they were not dipped to my satisfaction, so I'll be doing that. But I need to quickly get a comb and take this out, cut off the lace, and I'll dip the ends first. Right after I've dipped the ends, I'll let it dry for a few minutes, for like 30 minutes or so, because I'll be going out. Yeah, I'll be going out. I still have about 30 to 45 minutes, so I'll dip the ends in water. I'll let it air dry, then I'll go eat my food and throw on a bit of makeup, and then I'll come back again and continue with the video. So keep watching. Now I've cut off the lace in the back and I've removed all of the 4 combs. Like, these are the combs. So I'm ready to put these on. I'm just going to be wearing it with a strap. I'm going to use some gel to like lay my edges. I mean the baby is actually. And I also decided that I do not want to use a wig cap on because I feel the part area was kind of too light. So I'm just going to put this back on now. The wig is dry. So this is just going straight on my own head now. No cause for worries because there's no cap that will be snagging. So, in fact, let me just do this straight. I don't want to smudge my face because I'm going out. Pull the back. Okay, now this is secure. Now I gotta take out and do the baby hair. the lace some more. Gotta be really careful here. Cut some more of this. Oh, no, my own hair just so. Make this side is good. Now this side, I'm gonna do a little more. Yep. Be careful here so I don't cut off your baby ears. Okay, there we go. This baby has a long, so I'm gonna do some. Okay. I'm not done yet. Now I need some Gatsby glue. Push this back a little. Okay. Okay. You gotta be careful so I don't rip my lace. Oh, it's too much, too much, too much, too much. And 10 minutes later, guess what? She ready. She ready. Okay, I moved my lace back. Devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. I shifted it back.